Hello traders, I'm back here with my New York session analysis review. We had an amazing blessing day, guys. Bank amazing profit at the London morning session and also amazing trade at the New York session just before FOMC meeting. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to bank amazing profit at the New York session. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did at the New York session. All right, as always, if you would like to see my future analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD chart, guys, if you look at this morning, we had such an amazing long trade here. And if you haven't seen my morning analysis review, video link is given in the video description. As always mentioned, we are trading price action. As mentioned, if the price does not stay above this previous high, possibility of reversal, and that's what exactly we have taken. If you look at technically, we have impulsive, so we were expecting some sort of like correction and then impulsive. So we had an amazing trade at the reversal and banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys, and some of the traders are still holding it, but we managed very good position close after just before the new FOMC meeting. All right, so let me share with you the analysis. Okay, so intraday analysis. Okay, this was the analysis in the morning. We had a bank amazing profit, and afterwards, as you can see here, just before the New York exchange open, we have this analysis. Look for, because if you look at, that's the most important thing, is not just doing analysis, explaining my trade. Look here, we have false breakout. Okay, so if you look at here, we have this false breakout, price broken and retest this level that give us the confirmation. But I said to my trader, look for safer trade for this, because look here, price respected here, and if the price gonna break, then keep taking a pullback, because in 4 hour we were expecting here. So in the intraday, that's what we analyze. We keep an eye on 4 hour and then we refine entries and exit in intraday. So that was the beautiful breakout, amazing juicy pips and bank beautiful pips, and afterwards look for another breakout continuation, as you can see here based on the analysis. Again, I updated that analysis at the New York session. Beautiful breakout, bank some profit. After banking some profit, we have this reversal. Our bias is short, so look for another pullback. As you can see here, after banking some profit, updated analysis, just pushing my traders to not to miss any opportunity. You can see here such an amazing and beautiful trade. Again, pullback, and based on the momentum, and technically I just close it because I said, guys, just before FOMC meeting, close your positions and bank some profit. But some of the traders are still enjoying it, guys. As you can see, it's still going down. All right, so guys, let me take to the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had an amazing trade, guys. So if you look at the pound dollar, and if you look at the 4 hour chart, we had such a nice beautiful long trade this morning, and we always expecting price might gonna hit, but we have kept eye on this level. As you can see here, price refused, so we have a short trade here as well. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a beautiful trade, guys, this morning. As you can see here, we were long this morning, all this long trade, as you have seen in my morning analysis. Right, so at the New York session, that was a pretty straightforward. Price came back and say, guys, let's wait for the opening bell, and as I mentioned, if the price gonna break, long trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break these levels, which is explained to my trader, our bias was short. As you can see here, price nicely broken, hit this target, and explain my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. We had amazing trade on pound dollar. So after that, we have another beautiful pullback, and dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. Beautiful trade, guys. Let me share with you. If you look at this morning, price reverse, we had a beautiful short trade here, and then we also had a short trade at the New York session, and then long here. So we're expecting, if the price gonna break, probably gonna shoot up. So let's see. And if you look at the intraday analysis, that was a beautiful trade, guys. As you can see here this morning, being an intraday, we had this morning short trade here, and afterwards at the New York session, that's what I explained, price came back here. That's what I explained to my trader through intraday. Look here, so you can see here, price respected this level, which is I mentioned through, price nicely broken, and the target was the previous low at this level, which you can see here, price nicely hit and bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, once we see the rejection here in 4 hour, then I updated my analysis. I explained to my trader, look for another breakout opportunity. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout, which price nicely broken, and now I explained to my trader, just keep holding it. Probably gonna squeeze some nicey juicy pips. So some of the traders still holding it. We have a breakout and retest. Momentum is bullish. That was a beautiful long trade here. Even now you can see here price broken and beautiful trade here. We had an amazing trade both of the yen pairs, pound yen and the euro yen. Let me explain to you euro yen beautiful trade we had it. And if you look at here, I explained to my trader, look for this pullback here at this level, because you can see here price respected here. We were expecting here, we have a bearish engulfing candle, we have this beautiful breakout. So technically impulsive correction, we have taken all these pullback, and most of the traders still holding it. The target would be this previous low level. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. That was a beautiful trade, guys, as you can see here. Okay, so this morning we have this long trade, bank few pp's, and afterwards, once the price reverse, as always mentioned to my trader, once the price develop a false breakout is the good sign for other direction. But we need a valid technical entry. As you can see here, exactly like a euro USD price develop a false breakout. We have very beautiful resistance level at this level. Price nicely broken, as I mentioned, these levels. If the price gonna break, then take sure you can see here price broken this level as mentioned in the analysis. And afterward I explained to my trader, just guys keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, momentum was bearish, pull breakout, pullback, and keep taking a pullback. Most of the traders, amazing, really enjoy. You can see here such a nice beautiful rally. Most of the traders have taken all this pullback based on the system. At the New York session, trader was expecting probably going to be shoot up. I say, guys, we only going to take a trade long if the price is going to break this level, and after the breakout retest. You can see here price did not break, could not break in this previous high. Beautiful momentum was bearish. We have the short trade, bank emerging profit. I also updated this analysis just to make sure my trader don't miss any opportunity. I keep updating analysis. You can see here this one. I said to guys, let's the price, if the price gonna break, momentum is bearish, we have bearish engulfing candle, so pretty straightforward. Looking for short trade, momentum is bearish. You can see here such a nice beautiful rally on euro yen. So most of the traders still holding, and the target would be the previous low. So you can see guys how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, and banking profit every single day. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with a live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. So if you are interested how I coach and train every single day through live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So guys, don't delay, join my team today. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a safe trading and have a nice evening, and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.